This is the iPad digitizer, purchased on April 7th, and I have reseated the ribbon cable. I've tried it with another iPad digitizer and it works. I've reseated the ribbon cable a couple of times, cleaned all the edges. Here's the problem. I got touch everywhere but the bottom of the screen. So you see the bottom 1 inch of the screen doesn't have touch anymore. I've purchased screens, I believe, through your service before for iPhones, and I've always been successful. Not sure why, but this particular model did not function properly. So I got full touch on all corners, everywhere on the screen, except the bottom corner. The bottom 1 inch of the screen I have no touch on. Now I have touch. Now I do not. DF Seth Patterson is my eBay account. And hopefully we can get this resolved. I'll send it back if you'd like, care of you, obviously, because the screen didn't work. But I'd love to have a replacement that works, and I'll continue to recommend your service. Thank you.